in my today's video, I created this look right here, which is very kind of New Year's Eve glittery. This is super easy, guys. I just use a couple eyeshadows, and honestly, I just wanted to create something that's very neat, clean, and not too many glitters going around. Wanted to keep like a very glowy look as opposed to like a matte look, which I love, but I really am loving this kind of glowy look. I did make a few mistakes, but you will see what I'm talking about in the video. Actually, I used a lot of new products which are very new to me. I've never used them, so I wanted to make sure I use them in today's video, because if not now, then when, right? I'll give you my thoughts about those products as and when like I keep going through the video. Also, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and also hit that notification bell button so you don't miss any of my future updates. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into the video.
So first I'm going to start by taking the Farsali Unicorn Elixir. I'm going to put that on my face because this acts as a primer. Next, I'm going to take soft ochre paint pot, and then I'm going to put that on my lids. This is going to be the base. I'm not using any primer because this is going to be the sticky base where the eyeshadows stick on. And I'm really sorry for my throat. I'm really under the weather right now. Next, I'm going to take the Soul palette by Colourpop and taking that really orangey kind of, peachy shade. I'm going to put that on the entire lids, basically not really concentrating on the outer corner or inner corner, just on the entire lids. Next, I'm going to be taking that shade. I'm going to put that in my crease line. This is basically my crease shade, and I'm just going to blend it in a windshield wiper motion using my Morphe M433 brush. Next, taking that corner shade, I'm going to be putting that only in my outer corner and blending it a little bit inside, but mainly focusing it on the outer corner because this is going to be our outer corner shade. And then you'll see me going ahead and then just intensifying that shade by taking that dark brown color. I'm going to put that right in my outer corner and just blending it a little bit inside, but this is basically going to be our outer corner shade. Next, I'm going to take this Supernova shadow in the shade Dragon. I'm going to put that on my lids. I'm not going all over my lid. I'm just putting it in the inner 2/3 of my lid. If you wish to, go ahead and just wipe it across your entire lid, and that's going to look beautiful as well. I just wanted to keep it very neutral and very minimalistic, although it's not as minimal, but as much as possible minimalistic. I didn't want to have like that much shimmer on my eyes. Next, I'm going to take that darker shade and again just go ahead and intensify because we tend to lose these shades when we blend. Then taking the Studio Primer by PAC. This is such a good primer. I just love this oil. I'm going to just put it on my face and just kind of blend it in. Now, one thing that you'll see me doing next is taking the Cover FX drop. I should have gone with like just maybe like one drop and just put that on my face, but I ended up putting way too much, and you'll see I had some trouble blending it in. But that's okay. We are going to try and do some damage control over there. I'm just going to go ahead and take the PAC HD liquid foundation, and I'm in the shade 3.3. So I'm going to go ahead and just buff that into my skin, and then it kind of looks very glowy, like a natural glow from within. It's not as matte, it's not as dewy, but it's like a very natural glow from within, and that's what I wanted, which I was able to correct it later. Next, I'm taking the Nykaa, like the Conceal and Correct palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that orange shade underneath my eyes to correct my under eyes. And then I go ahead and take the MAC liquid, what is that thing called? Long wear concealer, but this I think I got it in the shade as NW30, which did not look good, and which is why you'll see me going later on and then just wiping it off from my eyes. I just didn't like how it looked underneath my eyes. It was way too bright for my skin type, and also like later when I went ahead and put on the powder, like I set it, it was kind of looking a little bit too ashy, so I just wanted to go ahead and wipe it off. Next, I'm taking the MAC Gimme Sun bronzer, and I'm going to just kind of put it all over my face, bronze up my face, warm it up so it looks very natural. I don't want too much of a chiseled look right here. Next, I'm taking the Burt's Bees blush in the shade Shy Pink. It's a very good blush, very pigmented. Yeah, I just love this, and very subtle glow. So I'm going to put that on the cheeks, and then I'm going to go ahead and take the Nykaa highlighter in the shade Glitterati. This is the rose gold and the blonde gold shade. So I think I'm going to take the rose gold shade and put that on the high points of my face. I'm going to take the Kat Von D tattoo liner, and oh my god, I just love how it applied on my eyes. It was so easy, and if you're looking for a good felt liner, like a pen liner kind of thing, this is a very good one. I totally recommend you guys to go ahead and buy this one. It's super pigmented as well and not glossy but very matte, so I really like this one. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take that peachy shade and put that in my lower lash line and just smoke it out. So this is where you'll see me going ahead and just wiping it off, and then I'm just going to take my Too Faced concealer, which I absolutely love, and I'm just going to put that underneath my eyes and just go ahead and set it with a powder, and then it just looks perfect. Next, I'm taking the coffee brown shade from PAC Cosmetics, and I'm going to put that in my waterline. Next, taking that shade, I'm going to go ahead and put that in my lower lash line again and smoke it out a little bit because the previous shade was a little too light, so I want to smoke it out a little more. Next, I'm going to take my e.l.f. brow pencil. This is really good pencil, very, very good pencil. I'm just going to fill in my brows. I'm going to take my Koki mascara. Now, this is in the shade Waterproof Black. That's what it says, and it's a good mascara. I really like this one as well, and it is waterproof. So, what better than a waterproof mascara? So I'm going to go ahead and take that Lakme Absolute lip color matte melt in the shade Mulberry Feast. It's a beautiful cranberry mulberry kind of shade. It looks absolutely beautiful and very, very comfortable formula. So I really like this one. Of course, I didn't wear it for too long to know that, but it was very comfortable. It didn't dry on my lips, at least for the next few hours. Next, taking the Wet n Wild setting spray, I'm going to just spritz it on my face, and I am done.
That's pretty much it, you guys. This was how the look turned out. It's super easy. You can literally replace these shadows with any color you want. If you don't want, just go in with like a shimmer look. Like honestly, just go in with a shimmer look. It doesn't matter. I just wanted to keep something that's very neutral and it will go for any dress that you're wearing. Like this would honestly even look beautiful on like a black dress. I will see you in my next video, but until then, be subscribed to my channel, hit the notification bell button so you are notified every time I upload a video. Also follow me on Instagram so you don't miss my updates, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.